We've just installed the Lexus GS Hamilton conversion kit for CarPlay and Android Auto. We have two types of products for the Lexus GS. One is this complete replacement screen here. We call it the conversion kit. The other is what we call an upgrade kit. It's a small box that would install behind your radio and add CarPlay to your factory screen. This screen is both fully touchscreen and you can use your factory mouse. In this video, I will show you how to set up Apple CarPlay and your audio. Go ahead and open up your iPhone, Settings, Bluetooth, locate your new device name. It will start with Hamilton or BNR. Click on it. Click Pair to the pairing code, Allow to Favorites and Contacts, and if you get a prompt that says Use CarPlay, click Use CarPlay. Sometimes the iPhone does not immediately display this prompt. CarPlay will then automatically open. The first time CarPlay opens, it may take a few seconds longer than normal. And there it is, Apple CarPlay. We can go ahead and change the wallpaper by coming to Settings here, Wallpaper, and you can select from available wallpapers on your iPhone. I'm going to show you a few more really important steps. A quick press of the menu button brings you back to the Hamilton homepage. In the Hamilton settings, under Phone Connection Settings, turning Auto Connection and Remember Device both to the on position will make it so that when you get in the car, CarPlay automatically starts and opens up. If you want CarPlay to do that, turn both of these on. Long holding the menu button for 3 seconds brings you back to the factory screen like we mentioned. Our system by default is going to play audio via your aux mode. If you're going to keep the default settings, you want to come to Setup, Bluetooth, delete your Bluetooth devices, and turn the factory Bluetooth power off so that it does not interfere with the Hamilton Bluetooth network. If you prefer to use your factory Bluetooth for audio, you will leave factory Bluetooth on, you will double connect to the factory Bluetooth and the Hamilton CarPlay, and you'll follow an important step on our forum or provided by our support team to tell our system that you plan to double connect. You cannot double connect without reconfiguring your settings. It takes about 30 seconds. To open up CarPlay manually, you find this button, CP Link. Click on it. I'll walk you through some of the other settings briefly. If you don't want to watch the rest of this video, you certainly don't have to. These are not mandatory. You can come here to pair your unit to Wi-Fi, like the phone's hotspot, if you want to have it have a Wi-Fi connection for apps outside of CarPlay. You can load apps directly onto the Hamilton system. You cannot have your phone connected both as a hotspot and as CarPlay at the same time. CarPlay uses a proprietary Apple connection that is a mixture of Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, similar to AirDrop. Brightness settings here will allow you to adjust the screen brightness settings in the day and night. Advanced settings is a password-protected settings page. Changing these settings without Hamilton permission or instruction can damage your system. That's why it's important that we put a password on here. If you need the password to change settings and resolve issues, the Hamilton team will provide it to you. We also recommend you don't change the system settings. These are settings about how your unit will display and things of that nature. Display settings will change how the display appears. These are secondary to brightness settings. The unit will automatically grab time from the installed GPS, and it will use that for time. Voice command, we recommend you not change this either. By default, it will be for Siri to work in CarPlay. We ship all units set to English by default as well. In the volume settings, you have navigation volume and system volume. This is how you balance the difference between navigation and system volume if you're going to be, say, listening to Waze for maps while listening to the Sirius XM radio. We installed that small speaker. That allows us during the installation process to mix audio from navigation with factory radio channels. Here is your system version. You'll see your OS, your CAN, your MCU. These relate to how your vehicle interacts with your factory vehicle systems. Our systems come with 128 gigabytes of onboard storage. Some of that is not accessible, and 8 gigabytes of RAM. so they have plenty of performance capability. If we ever need to update your system, you'll see the updates available on our forum, and it'll show you how to update your OS, CAN, and MCU. We also, from time to time, may need to change these when you first do an installation if you're having any issues. If you have the wrong setup for your vehicle, our support team will get you straightened out. Coming to Apps Plus here, you can use the Google Play Store and you can load apps onto your device that may not be available through CarPlay and Android Auto. You can see here, even if we are in CarPlay and we shift to reverse, the backup camera will come right up and bring you right back to CarPlay when going into drive. This system works both with the factory mouse and touchscreen like we mentioned. If you have any questions, our tech support team is available at 919-858-2890. Check us out, hamiltonmotorcompany.com.